And opposition and civil society pressure mounts on ZANU-PF and government to hold a referendum on the contentious constitutional amendment, which extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's term and introduce a raft of political, electoral, and governance changes. Authorities are taking in resisting the national plebiscite. Serapena mashikopula nyukopangwa inwe tichiona Attorney General Virginia Mabhiza achipinda achitaura pamusoro penhau dzemaconstitutional amendments. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Team now move the news on small new efficiency. Attorney General Virginia Mabhiza says Section 328(6) is deliberate and precise in that it reserves the ultimate democratic veto. The national referendum for only 3 narrowly defined categories of amendment. Any bill that touches Chapter 4, the Declaration of Rights, Chapter 16, Agricultural Land, or Section 328 is off. In every other case, once a constitutional bill secures the required 2/3 majority in both houses of parliament, it must be forwarded to the president for assent. In courts, I should emphasize that the constitutional basis for proceeding without a referendum is neither an option nor a loophole. 328(6) is very clear on this aspect. Any insistence on a referendum, given the current scenario, is devoid of any meaningful legal basis and logic. It is an unconstitutional demand. Doma developments are pangwa inoi. Achitagwa na Virginia Mabhiza tiona kuti aiwa these guys vanozozikana kuti varimo the system ende ndohunhu hwavo hwekuuya vachimanipulata nokuuya vachirizena vachikupinda nepasipo. Mbotisa mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro mashoko aAttorney General. Mira comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.